Hey guys, it's Zendaya. I'm still awesome. She's still a loser. Nothing has changed at all.
Everything has changed.
No. I'm the talkative one. Usually in the other videos I'm like, no, I don't want to be here. But now she's like, whoa bro, I just realized I don't want to be here.
No.
So,
Everything. I gotta
I like my eel. At first when I saw it, I'm like, why is there a blue egg in a container? But I figured out it was chapstick. Because I'm just smart like that. Crimping her eyes without the heater. It looks like you have like something hooked up to your eye. To make you look...
my eye.
I mean, eyelashes, right? Right? Yeah.
It's
Because
curling your eye.
Same thing. Don't judge. Judge-er.